Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we're going to walk through a Sailfish 245 DC 2021 model. This particular boat that we have here today comes with the Mercury 300 outboard, max horsepower that you can get on the 245. Very strong engine. It's got 120 gallons of fuel, so it'll take you definitely through the weekend. And with Sailfish's variable dead rise hull, it's a very smooth riding boat. Really good through the chalk, very smooth, bouncing through the waves. Really good setup done by Sailfish on this boat. We do have a ski activity pylon here in the back that raises and lowers if you're going to do any water sports and tucks nicely out of the way. For fishing, we have rod holders with the live well, as long as a fillet station, any utility tools that you want to add in the back. Freshwater washdown. Your freshwater fill is underneath the swim platform access ladder, so make sure you don't mistake it for fuel or waste. Really good idea by Sailfish. So moving in the cockpit, lots of adjustable seating with the seats folded down on both starboard and port side. Very comfortable for a day of entertaining, as well as folding them up if you're going to do a day of fishing. Leaves plenty of room back here. Table storage for entertaining. And we have a cooler and storage underneath for this nice adjustable seat. You can lay it all the way down for a lounge, and also moves forward to have forward and aft facing seating. There's also storage underneath the starboard side, aft facing storage with cup holders. You notice that we have this nice hardtop enclosure room for life jackets. Got rod holders, speakers, and LED lighting. Really nice for protection against the elements, and this boat does come with the eyes and glass enclosure as well. It's about 40 degrees here today, a little cold, but with that enclosure around, you'll be very comfortable using this boat in the spring and the fall. Moving forward to the helm, we've got a nice Garmin display with Mercury's vessel view. Lets you know all the engine configurations, RPMs, and levels. We've got LED lighted fuse panel. We've got the Sailfish Mercury steering control for faster or slower steering depending on the conditions that you're in. And we've also got the trim tabs on this boat. We've got the VHF radio installed. Sea deck for your feet down below, very comfortable, as well as a sea deck here for your iPhone, whether you're using Navionics or just need to stay in touch. Fully adjustable captain seat, height adjustable forward and back, as well as the armrests. The head on this boat is really deep. Me being 6 feet tall, I have no problem moving in there. There's storage, light, Corian countertop. Really nice setup that they have on the head here for a 245. Underneath in the center, we have storage for the canvas, any water sports activity, tubes, skis, fishing rods even underneath. And access underneath the helm for more storage. This is where your bow table is and the fuse panel behind the helm. At the bow, we have storage underneath the two seats, as well as plenty of room for laying out. Really good on a nice day. Sunshade is an option. You have the windlass option, and nice low profile rails, easy to grab on, not obtrusive at all. Cup holders, speakers, USB power, and LED lighting throughout the whole boat. So that's a quick overview of the Sailfish 245 dual console. If you have any more questions, please contact us at MarineMax Westbrook. Visit MarineMax.com or call us at 860-661-4761.